Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and we're back. So, this is what? Part 4 of this fucking series. The next thing, what we're gonna try, is we're gonna unbox these fucking things and see if they work and how they work, and if it's all good. So, yeah, fairly straightforward box they're in. Hopefully, they're charged. Yes, look at these bad boys. Got these for €20 because they gave €100 in store credit, but they also gave a free watch, so that's not too bad. The watch will be coming in like 1 or 2 weeks because they wanted my IMEI number for some reason. But anyway, here we go. Simple ass unboxing. Yeah, just the model number on the side, nothing special. Alright. Geez, they're very small, holy shit. That'll be a bit bigger. Do they have anything at all useful? Oh, they do. Nice. So they have a cable here. Look at that. Fucking beautiful. Oh, what is this? They have a cable and some weird shit. I'm gonna have to take a look at what that is. So yeah, decent accessories, not bad. USB-C to USB-C cable, not bad. You can also charge these from the phone if you want to do that, since this supports reverse charging. So yeah, nothing else underneath, which is fine. Now, what the hell is this? Oh, this is the ear cups. Okay, cool. Some kind of 2 rubber bands with a hole in them. Maybe it'll become a bit more clear later on. But we have a bunch of ear cups, which is good. So yeah, see you have a small one and a big one. There we go. So yeah, too big, too small, and I'm guessing medium is on this right now. Okay, well, just slide it off. No need to damage it. Alright, so yeah, case is a bit goofy looking. But yeah, they're there anyway. Holy shit. Oh, what the fuck? My monitor just got a fucking notification anyway. Well, let's see. Alright, yeah, fucking connect. That was nice and easy, holy shit. Hello? Yeah, sure, why not? Downloading software for what? Jesus, okay, well. Do what you want, I say. Fuck off. Oh yeah, yeah, do that, yeah. Verbal relay, yeah, that's fine. Continue. Yeah, sure, access my calendar, why not? Notifications, yeah. You're all set. Holy shit. Oh geez, they're 100% full. Oh yeah, well, yeah, because the case is only 45. Alright, cool. So yeah, they have noise cancelling by the looks of it, which is not bad. Let me see what they look like. Okay, they're a bit fucking fat. Alright. Let me give them a nice try. Yeah, noise cancelling seems to be working nicely. Alright, cool. So, yeah, fit is actually fine. The medium ones are fine, so yeah, that's fine. Let's see, equalizer. Let's do normal for now. Yeah, there's a good bit of shite there. Let's see if there's any updates. Yeah, there is an update, alright. Can update them while they're in my ears. Gonna fire up YouTube. Can I actually uninstall this thing? Yeah, I cannot uninstall it, unfortunately. What is what it is. Can I install YouTube Music though? Because I never fucking use that. Okay, I can. Nice. Fuck off. Alright, so let's go to NCS. No copyright sounds. Alright, and we're back. So let's fire up the song. Oh yeah, nice. They actually work. That's good. Okay, not the best. There's a bit of bass in there, just a tiny bit. Let's try and EQ the bass boost. Let's see how that sounds like. Yeah, that helped a little bit, alright. Yeah, so not too bad. I'll just keep it at that. Test fit. Put in your earphones, okay? Well, how'd you know? Let's see if I can shove it in my ear a little bit more. Let's try again. Alright, great. That's a pretty cool feature actually. Yeah, fuck it. Whatever, they work. So that's good. One thing I'm gonna try is reverse wireless charging. Open reverse wireless charging. No, fucking open wireless charging. That's fucking, you stupid fucking Bixby. Open charging. Alright, that's probably it here. Yeah, wireless power sharing, there we go. Alright, so yeah, put it in the middle, you say? Okay. So yeah, we're gonna try that. Put it in the middle. Where's the fucking charger? Yeah, so it does show like the headphones, so. Or maybe these don't support wireless charging. Yeah, that could be a thing actually. Oh! Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So you see this fucking thing? You can take it off like so, and then you can put in these rubbers instead. So yeah, that's what that's for. I'm gonna keep the fins, cause yeah, like otherwise it's gonna fall out. So yeah, pretty interesting, weird shit. Alright, great. So we found the mystery. They don't support wireless charging, which is sad, but it is what it is. So thank you boys for watching. I'll see you next episode. Bye bye.